Yeah, what's good everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So earlier, just a few minutes ago, I reacted to Marian Osabel's Beat My Beat It, yung latest na noong September 22. Now, I also saw on my recommended videos itong kay Zephanie na Beat My Beat It, which happened October 6, 2023. And very interesting kasi a day ago lang siya na-upload, or yesterday lang siya. So, why not just do a reaction to it? Kasi nga, matagal na din akong hindi nakapag-react or hindi nakapag-listen kay Zephanie, no? Kasi nga, wala siya masyadong, hindi ko siya masyadong nakikita sa Queendom, no? Or as a guest man lang or ano. Basta, so, i-react natin si Zephanie right now. And ang caption nito or ang title is Bardagulan, no? Bardagulan ang boses sina Rhea Jen Villarreal at Paul Movido sa Beat My Beat It. Okay, very interesting. So, i-follow nyo ako sa Facebook so that you can see some of my reaction videos too na andun sa Facebook, and also other vlogs. And then on my Instagram, realdavid_29. Okay, so let's begin. Let's go. Creep. Grabe. Ooh! Galing na vocal flip. Iba din trip na itong ni Rhea Jen. Ooh! Grabe. I love her angst. Gusto ko yung angas niya. Mataas din. Feeling ko ito si Rhea Jen. Sumali na to sa mga contest. Narinig ko ng pangalan nito eh. You very Regine. Oy, hindi to madali, oh. Grabe. Sa lilim o sa liwanag? Grabe. Gusto ko talang gigil na ito ni Rhea Jen. Ayun, mukhang mukhang pumiyok na yan. Ng konti. Binaabay pa si Hey. Grabe naman yung key change na yun. Very sudden. Gusto ko yung adlib ni Zephany. Akala ko hindi na siya mag-adlib ng matas eh. Woo! Okay. Ito. Okay. Hanap muna tayo ng hindi masyadong struggle Okay, ayan. Ito, same lang yung observation ko sa kay Rhea Jen at saka kay Paul. Doon sa sinabi ko sa Beat My Beat It ni Marian Osabel, Kasi ganito din yung setup eh. Isang babae tsaka isang lalaki na na boses babae. Yun lang sa kabila, parang transwoman talaga 'yan. So, ganun lang din, very evident talaga na sobrang nipis. Okay, sobrang nipis talaga ng ng tone quality ng falsetto or head tone ni Paul, Compare doon kay musika kay Marian Osabel na mas may laman, mas may bigat 'yan eh, And I suppose that Paul, or it's safe to say na si Paul ang kanyang heavy or the most influential singer kung bakit ganyan yung timbre or why he decided to do that kind of singing style or tone. It's because of Miss Regine Velasquez, I think kasi kahit yung runs niya, kahit yung mga konting adlibs niya na ginawa niya doon, I can hear, Miss Regine Velasquez timbre. Andun yung impluwensya talaga, So, I think it's safe to say that. Yun nga lang, may mga pagkakataon talaga na because sobrang manipis at sobrang mabigat yung track, yung tugtog, yung kanta talaga, tapos manipis na boses, parang nilalamon yung boses ni Paul. Compare naman kay Rhea Jen na talaga yung boses ang bigat. First song pa lang, First song pa lang, yung angas, like the angst, yung gigil na nasa boses niya and the roundness as well, yung bigat, andun talaga. So, you can really compare, sa boses. And Zephany, grabe, napawaw din ako sa kanya, na talagang Zephany actually hindi pa nalalagay sa isip or nasa-sync in sa isip ko na she can really belt, kasi her tone is very sweet, sweet kasi yung boses ni Zephany, yung parang malumanay na very soft, lovely ganon. Hindi siya yung aggressive type, but she can really belt notes, katulad kina Hannah, also Marian. Although Marian actually, although sweet yung boses ni Marian, pero makikita mo talaga or maririnig mo yung potential na may sipa talaga. Ito kay Zephany kasi yung boses niya is hindi mo aakalain na she can really hit high notes, Ganun yung ko kay Zephany. But she did awesome job. So yeah, I think that's it, and I really enjoyed the bardagulan moments dito sa Beat My Beat It. So let me know if ano pang video ang gusto nyong i-react ko. Okay? Kasi i-react natin yan. So peace out everybody, much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.